In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on AOL. So assuming that it's not that you've forgotten your password, which I have already made a tutorial on that, but if you're just looking to change your password, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just select your user account name up to the top and select account info. Select the security tab. And now if you go down here where it says password, you can go ahead and select where it says change password. You may need to sign into your account, and then you can go ahead and select a different password, make a selection change there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.